This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Plug your iPhone into the computer with a certified Lightning to USB cable, because unreliable cables break the link. Once connected, unlock the phone and confirm cellular data is active so data can flow. Make sure you trust the computer when prompted. That authorizes the connection. While you're doing that, open the computer's network settings to watch for a new interface. These first actions establish the secure pathway you need for tethering to work reliably. Now enable the personal hotspot on the iPhone by navigating to Settings and turning the hotspot on. This exposes the USB interface immediately. You do not need to join a Wi-Fi network. USB uses a direct link, but note the hotspot password in case you switch methods. On your computer, choose the new USB network in Network Preferences. It may appear as iPhone USB. If you have slow browsing, set a public DNS like 1.1.1 or 8.8.8 to improve name resolution and speed. To finish, confirm the computer shows internet access through the iPhone USB interface and monitor cellular data so you don't exceed limits. If you lose connectivity, first disconnect and reconnect the cable, then toggle personal hotspot off and on. This often resets the link. If that fails, restart both devices to clear network stacks and check carrier settings updates on the iPhone. These steps resolve most issues because they reinitialize authentication and network assignment without
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.